selfie. 1 second. Anyways, as I was saying, guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was a lot of fun to do, but it's gotta go. If I just pull the zipper, will it rip off? Ah, nice. Now it's time for the rest of this to go. More nightmare fuel just for you. I think I got most of the paint off. There's a little bit in my hair, but I'm gonna shower anyways. But you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks?
Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again.
You tried.
Okay, I know what you say. I just can't speak.
So how do you think we're gonna take this off?
With a lot of makeup wipes.
No.
How?
Makeup wipes are bad for the environment. We use these. Which one do you want? Pink or...
Pink.
Okay.
It's moist.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand right now. Hand. No. Right on the hand, like that. Yes.
Okay, great.
What
it
is
doesn't feel great.
No.
I don't like it.
Why not?
I don't know.
Do we look scary? No. Beauty right here. Now we take these and then you just like that. Yeah.
Magic.
Just keep going. Just keep. Don't stop. Yeah.
I don't like this.
Right. We're just almost done taking. My sleep paralysis demon. Is that you? We're all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Starting off with the wig. I am very excited to see again. Okay. Oh, and the second one. Nice. I need to drive my siblings to their dance class in 5 minutes, so we about to speed run this removal. Oh boy. Ow. Okay, there's no going back now. Oh my god. Ah. I can't even open my mouth all the way, what? If that's not nightmare fuel, I don't know what is. Okay, I want to see if I can rip it with just my mouth. Ah, yes I can. Oh, that does not feel good. Okay, let's take it off. It does not want to leave my face, but I will make it. I look like a clown. I also feel like a clown, which says a lot. I'm running short on time, and as much as I hate it, I'm whipping out the makeup wipe. I feel like I haven't used one in so long. Oh, nice. My skin is stained in some spots, but it's okay. I need to leave, but... Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I can't really breathe, see, or touch anything with my hands now. You know what they say, beauty is pain, except, this is not beauty, so just pain? I am really happy with how this turned out, but I gotta take it off because I want to go shower. Let's start with the eyes. Oh, that feels so nice. I can bend my hands now. I tried washing it off, but it didn't help. Also, I'm sorry if I might be whispering. It's because it's midnight and everyone's asleep. It's not like I'll be able to fall asleep later anyways. And something tells me that neither will you. Anyways, let's take this off. Should I just go for the eye hole? Oh! It's really on my face. Ow. Okay, wait. I do this literally every day. Come on, Valeria. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I guess that's one way to do it. The bold cap. Oh, my hair's covered in foundation. I'ma go shower.
Get unready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. You already know. I wasn't sure how this look was gonna turn out, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's start with the subscribe button. Nice. Now we gotta take this monstrosity off. Ow! Just kidding, I feel no pain. I'm pretty sure that one ripped out my hair a little bit, but it's okay. Gotta take the lash off too. I literally just washed my hair, so I was trying so hard to not get blood in it. But now we just gotta take off the rest of the makeup. I mean, it's not even that scary. This is kind of a nice ombre. Okay, wait, this is the most satisfying part. And then this side. And I am all clean now, and you guys have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie minion edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh God. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Spider Edition. This is the first time I've ever used this contact lens, and I just got my nails done yesterday, so I'm kind of scared to take it out. Okay, we're good. Not as hard as I thought. Let's give it a little spray. Oh gosh, I think I got it in my eyes. Oh no. I can't see, so I'm just gonna start wiping and hope that something's happening. Oh my, I have so much stuff in my eye right now. Oh, I mean, I got most of the paint off, so I think I have to go wash my face. Take off my makeup with me, half Halloween, half Christmas edition. I don't know which holiday I like better. I feel like since I'm a makeup artist, I should like Halloween better. Like, I feel like makeup artist on Halloween is like werewolves on the full moon. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, basically, that's when we're thriving. This is depressing. I guess I could have done this first. Oh, wow. I had one, eyelash on. I'm gonna go shower. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a flash water, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. I feel like a Ninja Turtle now. But the eyebrows gotta go too. Nice. Alright, I showered. I'm slightly stained green, but I am clean.
Take off my makeup with me, Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Part of it. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some Spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Cancer Edition. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get rid of this Cancer sign. Let's get this moon. Let's say goodbye to Mr. Krabs. My face is really red. Can we get this white off of my eyeball? I have so much glitter in my mouth right now. I really don't want this to go in my eye. I don't know what to do. We love a blue hairline. I'm gonna go shower.
Time to take this look off. I look sexy, I know. Contain yourself, okay? I already know it's gonna stain my face. You can see some purple here, so let's just go with it. First, I'm gonna take the candle wax off. Yes, it's candle wax. Child. Anyway, so... Ugh. Whoop. Oh, this is a big one. Ugh. I wanna like scratch it off or something. I'm gonna do it with this lash case, don't judge me. It's faster, okay? That was so satisfying to do. Ow. The moment of truth. Okay. Oh, Houston, we have several problems. Update, it's not really coming off, so yeah.
It's time to take this off. Isn't it cute though? Okay, well, these aren't my real eyes, so I'm gonna take these out. Yeah. I put these little candies on with liquid latex. Let's get the other side. Oh! Last one. I think these are edible. That does not taste good. Gotta get these eyelashes off. There's one. There's two. Now we're gonna wipe this off. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, Rainbow Special Effects Edition. Let's see. Gotta get the forehead. Cute! I'm gonna take some makeup melt. And we're gonna rub that in. Now I'm taking my makeup towel. Thanks for watching.
Girl, I've been waiting to take this off for too long. Let's do it. It's a little green. That's kind of suspicious. But it's supposed to get darker the next day or something like that. It's a little more pale than I thought it was gonna be. But I'm here for it. It looks pretty natural. I'm gonna put soft makeup on like I have somewhere to go, which I don't. And here it is. I really like it. I think it looks really cute. Look at this. Who is she? She got some sun. She was on vacation. She's fresh. Tell me, does it look good? Is it just me? I would definitely recommend henna for freckles.
It is time to take this makeup off. Let's get these contacts out. Okay, great. Love that. Ow. I heard that if you use tape, that glitter comes off easier, so I'm gonna test that out. Okay. That literally got all of it off. Like before and after. I'm gonna do this side too. Getting the forehead. I think that's pretty good, so now I'm gonna start wiping it off with my makeup towel. Get the lips. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, double edition. Take off these horns, gloves. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Get these gems. Ow. Take off the choker. It's giving very much Red Dude from Inside Out. I really like these lashes. Ow. Now we're going in with some cleansing balm. This is definitely gonna stain my face. There's a lot going on here. Now we wipe. My forehead looks like a coaster. Get the contacts out. And I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower.